Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath in the Bathroom. It's the only place where you complete your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanwhosetselfhimselfonfire.com. Now, I was thinking about doing a live show, but I didn't want to risk it. Now, I put out a video yesterday and I was sharing with you guys basically how things was going to be this week for me, because I didn't know how the storm was going to impact us. First it was Marco, and Marco looked like it was going to come right over my area, but it didn't. It fizzled out, and now it's Laura. Now Laura is not going to hit us directly, and I'm going to show you guys some radar and some footage from my security cameras where we at right now. It's 10:39. It's August the 26th, 2020. And just so you guys know, this sort of how I prepare for a hurricane. It's sort of how people in Louisiana prepare for a hurricane. So just wanted to bring you inside, let you see exactly how we prepare and what's going on at this time. Now it looked like it's going to scrape us, probably just be right on the outer bands. It's going to go more towards the west of me. If it wobble a little bit, then we can be a little bit in trouble, but I'm confident that we are prepared, guys. So why have power? I want to just do this video. I thought you'd be interested to see how people in Louisiana prepare for a hurricane. So I'm gonna throw up some pictures and some footage from my camera and radar footage of where the storm is now at 10:40 a.m. August 26, 2020. All right, let's get to it. All right, the most important thing is to secure your property. Board up all of your windows, as I have right here. And then I want to make sure that I have sandbags to keep any potential water out. And the last thing is making sure that I have my generator cranked up, tried out. Want to make sure I have enough gas. It's about 25 gallons of gas, so hopefully that can last me until I'm able to go out and get some more. The lights come back on. So currently this is Hurricane Laura, 10:27 August 26, 2020. Now you see New Orleans and you see Houston. The storm is projected to split the difference, to go towards the west, and you can see how it's traveling sort of like northwest right here. Basically, guys, I'm on the west side. I'm east of New Orleans, right? And I'm west of where the eye of the storm is projected to hit. And so we will get glazed by the storm, but we should be okay. But just in case, guys, we just taking precautions. So right now we're getting a little onshore wind, and this is how I look in my security cameras. All right, as you can see, it just looked like a regular cloudy overcast day, but the winds has been persistent at about 5-10 miles per hour, gusting up to about 17, probably 20 at times. So not a big deal right now. It's overcast, really cloudy and windy, but it's going to get worse. Now, having said that, it will be nowhere compared to the Lafayette, Lake Charles area. As you can tell, the storm is again outage, more wind, more rain. And that's why you got to be prepared, making sure that we have batteries, non-perishable items, making sure that we have plenty of water, and again, plenty of gas for the generator, guys. So this is sort of how we prepare for a hurricane, keeping our eyes on the radar like this, hour upon hour, tracking it, seeing what's going to happen. Hey, and that's just the cost that you have to pay to live in paradise. Hey, it's your boy Taking a Bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Prayers out to West Louisiana and the Texas area, man. I got family and friends in those areas. So like I said, we on the fringe of it. We just gonna pay attention, keep our eyes open, stay prepared so we don't be a victim.